One of the projects that I suggest you should get into is this one, Divine Anarchy. Now, before I talk to you why you should get into this one, I suggest you hit the subscribe and like button because I am giving you the top exclusive and most importantly, huge gains, huge ROI type of returns. So, I know I haven't been posting videos, but the reason why is because I've been focused on so many things that creating these videos are very time consuming for me. But I wanted to share with you something that is going to explode. I'm telling you, explode. So as you can see, the project is called Divine Anarchy. Now the official launch date is November 3rd, but what you can do is you can get into the Discord and sign up for the pre-list. What this project is very, very interesting, and it has high level animators working on an NFT project. Now, I don't know about you, but I watch anime, and their target market is for people that watch anime and that are into NFTs, cryptos, and things like that. And I suggested a couple of my friends to get into the Dodge Pound. Now, they didn't listen. And that time it was about the floor for Dodge Pound was 0.2 ETH. And I told them to get in it, buy some projects, buy some Dodge Pound. He didn't listen. They didn't listen. So I was like, okay, you're a loss. Now the floor for the Dodge Pound is 3 ETH. So that's about $12,000 US dollars for this project, for the Dodge Pound project. When I suggest something, you should take action on it. And as you can see over here on Twitter, the Dodge Pound is following this project. So it means that this project is going to be huge. Okay? Besides their animation, their style, in the questionnaire when you sign up for the list, the pre-list, it asks you what anime are you're into. And actually in their Discord, it has a option, a chat where you can go into an anime chat and you can discuss about anime all the time. So the target market is, like I said, for the people that watch anime, and the amount of people that watch anime is a huge market. And recently they posted this. Okay? This is their video, and it's high level, anime level type of production. And you can tell that the people are putting in some serious effort and putting on some serious content behind this project. So the public sale is November 3rd, but most likely, I don't know what they're in terms of, because some projects they'll mint, and then for the rest they'll have a little bit for the public to buy. What they have right now is the pre-list where you can sign up, and they ask you questions, in terms of how many do you want to buy or how many you want to mint. And right now it's 0 to 20, but that is subject to changes. So let's visit the website right now. Judgment has come. You can go to I suggest you join the Discord, follow them on Twitter, and look at this. That is crazy. So the videos, this is the one that I just played, and you can already tell that it's crazy intense. This is one of the projects I'm really hyped for, and this is the project that I can see that is going to be doing really, really good because of the people who's behind it and what the project and the roadmap is. So basically right now you can see the divine bloodlines. So they have bloodlines. Now each character has, I guess a bloodline, and then you'll be able to choose whether you want to be a hero or nemesis. Now this is one of the bloodlines. It's called Genesis. 500 circulating supply. So there's different types. Obviously, the ones that have a very few bloodlines is going to be a rare one. So the first one is the Genesis. So 500. This is probably the one that is going to be rare. For all my Naruto fans out there, what does this look like? Yes, that's the Byakugan. Look at the eyes, look at the veins. So they're getting a lot of their ideas from Naruto. I can already tell. It's a samurai theme also, and you can tell by the way they have a sword, their cloth or their costume, their samurai or samurai armor or clothing. And right here is another, you would say, bloodline, and this is more like a vampire theme for this particular bloodline. Songhai is another bloodline. Ooh, you see the sword? Where is that? See, I think a lot of influence is coming from Naruto, because this sword looks like it could be a Zabuza sword or it could be a Cloud sword. The Buster Blade, if you know what I mean. This is the Atlanteans, maybe for specialized in water element. This could be a scroll which they can read or pull up techniques, and who knows? I'm just speculating right now. Nubians, see, all have a weapon. Let's see the eye, the hair theme. The Celts, rocket launcher. You see that rocket launcher? This one gives me a Yakuza vibe. You see the suit, the tattoos. That's a koi fish, which is very, very popular in Japan. Koi fish tattoo. The Egyptians. This is another bloodline. You see that mask, scroll. I told you they're getting Naruto influence. Look at that. That's the Sharingan right there. Alright. Those who know, the red eyes. Put this on his eyes, and we call that the Sharingan. The Europeans, pink hair, rocket launcher, and the Mongols, which is just normal, no weapon, anything like that. Okay, so let's look more into the project, and you can choose which side. You can be a nemesis. Now, the other one is going to be heroes. So they have different. Look at the animation. Look at the drawings. Jeez, this is crazy intense. I'm really excited for this project. Like, you don't even know. I suggest you keep an eye out on this project. These are just some sample. Right here is when you will be able to mint 0.09 ETH. You can join the whitelist. And right here, remember earlier I was talking about max 20 NFTs, but it's subject to change. If there's a lot of demand and there's a lot of people to sign up, they might just do 2 or 3. It depends. So here's the perks of owning a Divine Anarchy. So if you have a Divine Anarchy NFT, so you have a political influence. So you get to, access private chat rooms. You have deflationary specs, which means that the first NFT built smart contract in deflationary mechanics. You have the sandbox effect, which is basically sculpting the future of NFT anarchy storyline. You have basically, you get to control the direction. Kingdom perks, special real life rewards, airdrops, access to member only shop with limited edition drops designed in Europe. Now, Asset Bender is one of the head in terms of, I think he's speaking on an event. He's speaking in a Bitcoin event, which has some big, you would say, influencers, Michael Saylor and other influencers, Robert Kiyosaki, BitBoy. There's so many people that are going to that event. They're just going to be talking about cryptos, Bitcoin, NFTs, and all that. Now here's the roadmap. Okay, the roadmap: 10% side contract build, game theory, pre-sale, whitelisting, storyline introduced. They completed that. Now they're on the 25%, which is the game road introduced. And it's not checked out yet. NFT mechanics, not checkmark yet, but they're building a community building and a mint date determined. As far as what they're doing, they're always achieving what they are setting out to do, which is good for a project. It means they're really strict and they hit the deadlines, and that's one of the key major things that you want to look out for when looking into an NFT project. 50% milestone minting begins, and minting sold out, and the game did set. Fair play analysis, and I'm so excited to see how the gameplay will look like. It's probably going to have like an anime type of feel to it. In the trailer, there was an animal like a wolf, so maybe that's something that you will be able to have later down on the road. Maybe you can have pets or someone to help you out in battle. Who knows? But as an NFT holder for this, you'll be able to see, and you can have your input into where the project is going, which is really cool. Fraction settled, verdicts begins, countdown, community challenges begins, divine judgment is cast. So this is the growth rate. Look, you see the Discord members, 100,000 plus. There's moderators, which is good, hired for a full time, so they're really taking this seriously. Look at the growth rate, 2,519% since last week. Now, I've been on the Discord channel and Discord group. They are very active. Lots of community, big community, lots of people, different spaces. I put up a question. I was able to get an answer right away. Very helpful community, which is one of the things that you look out for. And those are the things that people want to be involved in. Very positive, active, helpful community. Remember, those are the things that you look for when you go into a Discord channel. Now, new weekly member retention. So 70%. You're right. This is good. Usually the weekly member retention is lower than that, but 70% is good. 15,000 Twitter followers with 0 ads. So they're not, promoting in terms of ads, which is just going based on word of mouth, referrals, people talking about it, influencers talking about it, and people that are serious in this space putting out their word. And when you have a lot of influencers and a lot of people who has weight in terms of what they say, then it's going to be very powerful in terms of the following. Here's the influencers and new partners: Magic Mushroom Club, Launchpad, Crypto Negos, The Brett Way, and Hey Ben Tran Advisory. Now these are just the pipeline updates. So whitelist raffle. So I suggest you sign up on this. A public sale, a tier influencer partnership, game theory rules, deflationary mechanics, And these are just some few questions that what a lot of people frequently ask questions. So right now it's 0.09, subject to change depending on the price of the ETH launch. So what is the verified smart contract? Please just once, not the MU. Remember, no one will DMU the smart contract address. Stay woke. Alright, people, stay woke. No scamming going on, but this is pretty much it. Follow them on Twitter, and this I'm not logged into my account, that's why it doesn't say follow. But look, follow the Doge Pound. I suggest you look into these, and they recently made a partnership with Mr. Stray Songs. I don't know if you're into R&B, rap, hip hop, but he's a popular artist. I suggest, like I said, keep an eye out on this project. He's going to be doing big things. He's going to be doing great things. These are just some of the divine anarchies, different designs. Look at that, jeez. You know, especially for the people that are into the Japanese culture, they will really enjoy this. This is the Genesis. Crazy. Yeah, so there's just been a lot of growth, and there's been a lot of things going on for this project. So keep an eye on this. Get on the whitelist. Get on their Twitter. Get on their Discord. I'll see you in their chat. Subscribe, like, comment, and peace.